In this video, I will show you how to create an NFT on Ethereum. We will use OpenSea, the biggest marketplace for NFTs. We will do everything with a UI. There won't be any coding, and we won't spend any Ether thanks to the lazy minting feature of OpenSea. If you are new here, I'm Julien, and at EatTheBlocks, I teach blockchain development. First, you need to create the image of your NFT. After, you install MetaMask, a popular wallet for Ethereum. Even though we won't have to spend any Ether to create our NFT, OpenSea requires MetaMask to sign in. Then you go to the website of OpenSea and click on Create. You select MetaMask, then you will see a pop-up of MetaMask. If this is the first time you use OpenSea with this address, you will have to connect your address to OpenSea. This will allow OpenSea to be aware of your address. After, you will sign a message. It doesn't send any transaction. It's just the logging mechanism of OpenSea. After, you can start creating your NFT. First, you select the image of your NFT, then you input the name, then you optionally can put the link to the official website of the NFT if you created one. It's useful if you want to present the NFT in a customized way that is more appealing than the generic listing of OpenSea. Then there is an optional description. Then you select a collection to whom the NFT belongs to. If you don't select anything, OpenSea is going to assign a default collection. Then you can optionally define some attributes. The most simple attribute type is properties, which is textual traits. Then you have levels and stats, which are numerical traits. Then you have the supply, that's the number of NFT that can be minted. Then you choose the blockchain. Then you click on Create. Because of OpenSea lazy minting, at this point, the NFT will only exist in the blockchain when a user buys the NFT from you. On the page of the NFT, you can see the image, the attribute, the history of events, and technical details. This is the address of an 1155 smart contract managed by OpenSea, and it's used to mint the NFTs of all OpenSea users. To sell your NFT, you need to explicitly list your NFT for sale, and that's another action. So that's it for this tutorial on how to create an NFT on OpenSea. If you want to dive deeper in the world of NFTs, you can learn how to create a full NFT app with coding. And to learn this, I recommend this tutorial. I will see you there.